Hi everybody, this is a tutorial on using Webspiration, which is a free download from the internet. It is pretty much like Inspiration, which you can also download for free, but that is for a 30-day trial. I like Webspiration because we can collaborate, meaning you can set something up and share it with me, and I can add information to it, make comments, those kinds of things. So this is going to be probably a 15-minute tutorial, but I think that it will help you get started. It is at www.mywebspiration.com. And you'll see here that when you come to the page, you have some tabs, which you might want to look at before you sign up. Examples, as you can see here, all kinds of examples. So you can look and see how Webspiration or Inspiration is used. Tips and tricks. This might be an interesting page to look at. This talks about visual thinking. And then you have the Help Center, which is going to be very important to you because it shows you how to begin your project. And then you have the Sign Up. Now, I've already signed up, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, which is exactly what you're going to do once you have signed up. So sign up and sign in. Okay, what I want to do is show you what I just created by going to Recently Opened, and it was a CSI WebQuest concept mapping document. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we did this, or how I did this. So I'm going to go to Document, New. I want to diagram it, and I'm going to call it CSI WebQuest 2. Save it. Okay. So it starts out, this is your main topic, okay? Now, several ways that we can add boxes to our document to make it sort of like a flow chart or to brainstorm, okay? The best way to do this is to use what's called rapid fire, which is this icon here, rapid fire. So I'm going to click right after my topic name, and I click rapid fire, and now I'm going to type introduction, and now I'm going to type see, it shows me that I spelled this wrong, so go here. Okay, now go back. Okay, and I have to, now that I got out of the rapid fire mode, I have to go back in, and you'll see that there's a little line there and blinking that says that you're back in the rapid fire mode. Task, process. Notice how easy this is. So if you were brainstorming, you could just start thinking things and just start typing. Resources, let's see, evaluation is next, conclusion. Okay, so I think that is everything that is included in the WebQuest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 6, okay. So now I want to align them, and I'm going to click or arrange them. They call it arranging. I'm going to click on the arranging icon. I like to arrange them using the right angle link. Do okay, and there we go. Now what I would like for you to do is to create a concept map with your WebQuest, writing down points and ideas that you have about your WebQuest, okay? So for example, under Introduction, I'm going to again do rapid fire, and I'm going to say you will be asked to solve crime at local library. Now notice that I said you, meaning the students, okay? Because this is what is going to be part of your WebQuest. So you want to direct it at the students, okay? You don't want to say students will be asked. You want to say you will be asked to solve the crime at the local library, and then you know, whatever, and you can elaborate on that, okay? And then we have the task. So let's come over here to the task, and we're going to say task 1. Oops, task 1. Add to this a little bit. See, I'm clicking on the box so that I can edit it. Add task 1. Meet your partner at the library. Now, you're not going to really do that because, unless you want to, but this is a task. You'll be meeting your partner at the library, okay? Because I got out of the box, I have to go back to rapid fire. Task 2, split up duties. Okay, I'm just making this up as I'm going, so it's not very good. But I just wanted to let you see how this was happening. And then you would go to your process and add some things, resources. So this is your concept map, just your brainstorming idea, okay? And the reason why we're doing this is just so that you can get an idea how to use concept mapping. As you can see by the examples that you hopefully looked at, you will see lots of different examples as to how concept mapping can be used. Okay, so let's go back and arrange it again. Okay, and you can see here. Now, what you might want to do, I'm not big on the green in the ovals, so I just what did I do? Highlighted, that's the word. I'm sorry. I just highlighted the everything, okay? And I'm going to make it into a rectangle, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to separate my levels. So my first level, which is the topic, of course, I'm going to change that color to orange. Okay, my second level, I'm going to change that color to salmon. And my third level, I'm going to change that color to blue. So these are the different levels, all right? Now, suppose I don't want to do the rapid fire, okay? Suppose I know exactly what I want for process. So what I'm going to do now is to create a box, okay? Okay, and I could have used that box that was there, but I decided not to, so I deleted it. And now I'm going to start typing. So, step 1, okay? Now, step 1 is not linked to anything, but I want it to be linked to process. So I'll click on the process box. I will go to the icon that says link, okay? Click on it. I want to link it here. And if you click 3 times, it will work. And you can let go of the link. We're going to arrange it again. Make it blue. Whoops, wrong blue. And there we go. Alright, so now I have it ready to go. And now I want to share with my instructor. So I'm going to come over here to collaborate. And I'm going to invite. And I'm going to type in the email address. And you can either use stubbins@maine.edu or stubbins@usm.maine.edu. All right? And I'm going to check. Okay? And it tells me that I do not have an account, but no problem, because it will invite me to create an account, okay? And I want to be a collaborator, and then I'm going to share. All right, I'm finished now. So I'm just going to put it away. Don't worry about saving it. It's there. Now when I go back to it, and I sign in, okay, except for I've already signed in, so it just says to launch. I recently opened, and there is the one I just did. That's it. I will be attaching a PDF of the WebQuest concept map that I did last year, just to show you what it looks like. You don't need to do the same way. This, I think, by just watching this tutorial, you'll get the idea. Experiment with some of the cool symbols over here. For example, I like this symbol. I would put, you know, up here just for the fun of it. Why not? Okay? And now, that's it.